What is going on, guys, gals, aliens, and DGen freaks? Welcome to Dano Crypto. On this channel, we show you guys how to make simple, effective, and easy moves in the cryptocurrency ecosystems. What's going on? You guys are the best. You're already hitting up the likes. I really do appreciate it. What's going on? Shout out to the Dano Crypto Dojo community. If you guys are in the chat, let yourselves be known so everyone can see who you are. Let's do some shout outs to the newest subscribers to the channel. We have Send RSN DTH. We got Maria Clark Soprano. We got Shaggy, Glacier N, the Joker, Zig Gasp. We got Zhuang Chang, Flip Zeruski. Man, I'm probably butchering these names. We got John and we got McCall. So shout out to you guys. These are the newest subscribers in the past 7 days, and then Bjorn right there. So shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for all of the new subscribers. Thank you for helping me get my channel past 2,000 subscribers. I do appreciate it. All right, so what are we going to be talking about today? Well, we are going to be talking about BTC holding the line. Guys, can BTC hold the line? Are we going to be going below 61K again? Are we going to be hitting those lows? Are we going to be catching those lows again? I thought we had bullish ETF news in Hong Kong. Like, what's going on with China? We got these Asian ETFs being approved, and is it going to be something similar like we saw with the ETFs being approved here in the United States? So we'll see, guys. So let's see if we can look at the charts. We can analyze some stuff. We can do some analysis. We can see how the altcoins are reacting. So I saw something really interesting though. Something interesting happened as BTC was dipping. Pepe was actually gaining a little bit of strength. So that was showing me that maybe we aren't going to be dipping too low. We will get a recovery. We will not pass that 61,000 low. But if we did pass this low right here, then people were speculating, look, man, we're going to 59,000. So, oh, what's going on? Shout out to Ross Davey. Says, love the new setup, Dano. Great to see your channel growing. Oh, I appreciate it. It's good to see you. It's good to see you. Yeah, just experimenting, trying to make the channel look better, sound better, and just have a better experience for you guys. I have more time to do so, so we're always going to try and provide the best value we can, being the one-man show that we are. So if we're looking at BTC, we had a nice little bit of a bounce, but we were breaking down, and this is on the Bitstamp chart. Getting a little bit of lag here. Let's reset this here. So we're going to look at it on the 30-minute. Oh, no, this is Binance. We want this chart. Yeah. So we were looking at the Bitstamp chart. So are we going to 61? Yeah, so we just crossed past. Yep, so we're breaking down right now. So what is that doing to our trades? So that is going to have our altcoin trades react accordingly. But the thing is we were seeing something interesting. Like we said, we saw that Pepe was actually not breaking down as bad as we thought it would with this BTC dump. So I don't know if it's just because our internet is being slow that we're not seeing the price updated. Okay, here we go. So yeah, Pepe isn't breaking down as bad as we thought. Sometimes like things like these altcoins and these meme coins, they react pretty substantial. So like for instance, and then Phantom was the other one that we saw that wasn't really reacting super hard, like Pepe, and then also Nvidia. Nvidia's up like 1.3%. And then Phantom was actually, now it's breaking down a little bit because we're seeing this BTC dip, but look, you can see Phantom was gaining some strength. But Phantom under $1 is great. Let me know, guys, if you've ever used Phantom, if you've ever experienced going into the ecosystem, have you ever used Spooky Swap? But yeah, BTC right now breaking down. So let's see what's happening with the trades. Okay. So yeah, Doge got hit hard. So Doge for some reason reacted very strongly to this recent BTC dip, and it could be because people are wanting to scoop up those lows, coming in to some different price action. So people are asking, discuss Ondo coin. Ondo. Yoga with the Omis, good morning, good morning. Good evening. Whatever time it is during the day. Wherever you're watching. All right. Yeah, let's look at Doge. We had to readjust these charts. So we were speculating Doge going back, you know, if we were going to be BTC had to obviously break its levels to be going back into this purple box range. We marked this purple box. These are these levels that we want to test. Once we test these levels again, then we're looking for 27 cents for Doge as the next levels. It sits around 61K. All right, so yeah, so my trend line for BTC is, you know, for Bitstamp is the one that I've been following, and also the one for the CME futures chart. So if you look, we fell off the trend kind of hard, a lot harder than we did on this swoop, because basically we went off the trend line here, and then we got back into the trend, and we were hoping that we could get another move to break all-time highs of 76 and then hit right here at 73 again, but we did the complete opposite. So you can see that if we were to inverse this particular move right here and take out the black swan event of the attack, then honestly I think this would be in the opposite direction. It would look like this. It literally would look like this. Like we'd have that test and then like a price movement to this point. Like this is what it would look like if we didn't have that black, because the market was getting so bullish. It was getting it was perfect. It was a perfect setup, but maybe it was a perfect setup for the people that like to manipulate the market. Oh, awesome. Crypto Naughty said, so weird. YouTube doesn't tell me when you have a live stream. So you have to make sure that you have my channel. You have to hit the bell. So everyone, if you haven't done that yet, you have to ding the bell to be notified when I'm going live, and you'll get notified. And also, if you are in the Discord, that's when you'll really get some notifications, and you'll be able to know exactly when I'm going live, because I have a nice little YouTube bot here. And also, you can just go in and hang out and chat with people. So make sure you do that. All right, so let me read the chat. Let's see. Let's see. Why Bitcoin and FTM network not worth a penny? I have 15 Bitcoin and FTM network worth. Baba Boss. Yeah, the Phantom. So I know people are back and forth on Phantom. You know, you're either a Phantom, you either love it or hate it, I guess. You know, but it was a great performer in the last bull run. It got up to over $3, and it kind of performed like similar to Polygon and Cardano in terms of like price action. And so that's why I like to keep Phantom on the radar. And it's got cheap gas fees. You know, the swap works. The only thing is that, yes, they did have an exploit last year, and I think they recovered nicely from that. They're still doing stuff. So that's why I kind of keep it on the back burner, you know. I keep it on the back burner. Let's see. Let's see how many people we have watching across all platforms. Not bad, not bad. All right, so let's see what's happening with the trades right now. Bitcoin getting at these really spicy levels. You know what we might do, because now that we have these Bitcoin levels at, I wonder what we put in on this particular, what was the last buy-in order that we put in on BTC on this particular chart? Because now we're sitting at really, really good levels to be able to re-enter back into the market, but Cryptix Finance. I don't have any thoughts on it because I do not know that project, but we could peek at it. We can peek at it. All right, so let's see. We have to look and see what. Let's look at the order history. And I want to know, when was the last time that I bought BTC? Oh, was that 60,000? 60,070. Okay, so this would bring, so that's not too far off. So, I mean, if we, yeah, that would be nice. Honestly, I think I'm going to start throwing a little bit more BTC into this trade. Yeah. But looks like on the 5-minute, the value area point of control here is going back up to 63. But right now, I don't know. Is Fed Chair Powell, he's going to be speaking. He's doing a speech. I don't know. Did he already speak? So we could see.
And finally, there is a representative households that
they're showing all these figures.
The capacity of the economy, and then those are the producers.
Yeah, I don't know if he's spoken yet. All right, so someone is asking right now, what altcoins? I know when Chair Powell speaks, it's always like, I don't know why the markets always want to react when this guy speaks. It's like, why don't we just create our own? This is why these markets are in here. If we just get enough people buying crypto and just stop selling it when people like the Fed speak, it's ridiculous. But so to answer your question, I built a list of some coins. I'm actually going to make a video on it. And these are some of the, I know, Pal's mouth equals dump. I know, it's so crazy. It's ridiculous. All right, so these are right now my top coins that I am DCAing into and trading into that I think are going to perform. I think it's like my safe. I think this list right here is a solid safe play. And I'll check out Masuto. I'll check out Ondo or Ondo, whatever it is. We'll check it out in a second. But we're gonna go through these top 5 here. So Chainlink, why I think it's a good investment in my portfolio, and this is not for any financial advice for anyone else. This is just what I'm doing. So this is kind of what I've picked as my narratives to go off of, and this is old and new stuff. So Nakamoto Games is kind of it's it's newish, but I think they're doing really well. They're positioning themselves to be probably one of the most widely used crypto gaming platforms because of mobile, because of Telegram, because of all the stuff that they're doing with the AAA games. Brett is the Coinbase. I think it's going to end up just being the Coinbase meme mascot for Base because it has the highest market cap, it's got the most trading volume, and it's Pepe's best friend. So then you got XYO. We've talked about XYO. If you don't know about XYO at this point being on my channel, then I don't know what you're doing. You haven't been listening. So XYO is soon going to be listed on Binance. They're doing more deals. They're getting in more partnerships. They're partnering up with companies with big geo mining data, which is important for all types of metrics in terms of shipping, commerce, being able to do location data for different dApps. They're releasing their own operating system. Super, super cool. You can run your own node. You can have your own XYO node. And then you got Medieval Empires, which is linked with the crypto game, Medieval Empires, the Me token. You can stake this token to get VIP access. And the more tokens you stake, you get a higher VIP status. And so for me, that makes me think, hey, the more people play this game, the more that they maybe do a burning mechanism in the token and they keep the supply, kind of at bay. This thing can crush. This thing can absolutely crush just for the holdability of the coin by staking. So we've already seen some massive potential with this thing. And then we have Dogecoin. So Dogecoin, I am betting on Dogecoin hitting $1 sooner than we think, just with bullish news, with X payments. Dogecoin is going to be the obvious, in the list of an obvious coin that is going to be used. So this is why I think these are, I mean, this is just for me, you know, but this is just an easy list of the top 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, this is 6, my top 6. So I basically kind of built this portfolio. If you say, hey, if you just pick these top 5 coins and you put a little over $1,000 in each, if you put like, you know, 970, you know, 1,000 here, 1,000 here, just basically a little over 1,000 in each of these, that would build you up to about a $6,000, you know, $6,000 portfolio, just with these 6 coins. And this is not having any, you know, Ethereum or Bitcoin. But then if you were to kind of take this same aspect right here and put a little bit more into it, add a couple more altcoins. This is my mixed bag portfolio that has Dogecoin. It's got some Solana swaps like Orca and Radium. And Jupiter needs to be added on this list as well. But we got Stargate Finance. We got Optimism. We have Arbitrum, Metis, Solana, Polygon, Chainlink, Bitcoin, Layer 2 stuff. We're going to probably start adding a couple more projects into this, like Core, and then Ordinals, Ordi. And there's a few more, too, that are getting really popular. We just got to do more research. We got Ruin. And then, yes, I did. I post. Did I post about it, or I think I was talking about it. I said, yes, if you guys are using Trust Wallet, just so you know, there is an iOS exploit. So if you're using iOS, you definitely need to take a disable iMessage, because there could be an exploit with the Trust Wallet. If you just, so don't click on any links, don't click on anything on your Trust Wallet at all. Right now, I don't use my Trust Wallet for Web3 at all. Like, I just use it as a holding. So I don't connect my Trust Wallet to anything. I don't do anything like that. That's just like a pure holding wallet. Like my MetaMask is what I use, obviously, as my Web3 Phantom and you know, all those other wallets. Like, that's my Web3 stuff. But yeah, sometimes you just need a wallet that's just like, you're just like, don't connect it to crap. You're like, don't connect it to anything. You know, it just keeps it safer that way. And so, yeah, this list has the same coins that were in the top 6 there, top 5, top 6, but then it's got, you know, Polygon, it's got Phantom in there, Near Protocol. You gotta remember, Near Protocol hit an all-time high of, like, I think over $17. Maybe even more than that. I think it was it 32? Yeah, it was $20. It was $20. All right, we're gonna play our favorite song on this playlist here. What's cool is I don't get a copyright strike for playing this song. I just have to share the revenue, and I'm like, I'll gladly share the revenue. So my friend lost 5 Solana in Trust Wallet. Oh no. Man, I hate when people. It always sucks when people lose stuff, but through either like a mishap or scam or some kind of exploit or even just a mistake. If you did just put in an address wrong or something, it's just like, it's just always, I hate when that happens. So, but it happens to everyone. I mean, you know, I mean, man, have you ever sent a Ethereum transaction and you didn't pay enough gas? You'll end up still paying the gas, and then you don't get the transaction, like, and you're like, no, you're like, I just paid $50 in gas and it failed. Like, what the hell? It's just, it happens sometimes. Sometimes you just gotta pour one out for the homies. All right, how many people do we have watching right now on the YouTube? Sweet. We have 20 people watching. That's amazing. I think we can get the likes up. I think we can get it Especially when this song is playing. This song is amazing. This thing has been like in my brain. Brucey said I sent something as an ERC20 to an empty wallet by accident the other day. Managed to get half of it back after paying gas. Woo! All right, guys, come on. Let's pump this stream up. Let's get it out to the world. Let's show people how fun the crypto communities are. Baby. All right, let's see. Can we pump the price? Let's pump the price. Are we getting a bounce? Look at that. Look at that volume. It's on the 5 minute. We're getting some wicks though. We were testing that low where we're like, look, if we go past 61. It's like you're in Tekken right now. All right, guys. So why do you think the Bitcoin price has been dumping? Well, Bitcoin has been facing a turbulent period recently, with prices experiencing significant fluctuations. Its price soars to 70,000 or higher one day and nearly reaches 60,000 the next. There are many developments happening with the coin as it navigates through a market crash, but is still anticipated to satisfy the hopes of investors and fans by rising in the price after the upcoming Bitcoin halving, guys. So, the current price action. Top reasons why: we got geopolitical conflicts that we've mentioned. Normal pre-halving retracement. The normal pre-halving retracement. We have liquidations happening. Bitcoin pre-halving and post-halving accumulation. So, here you go right here. Kind of a dump. Liquidations of long positions. Hard. People were getting really bullish. All right, Trevor Lewis says, I just subscribed. I watched a bit of your late night stream last night. What are your thoughts on the Hong Kong ETF and when Grayscale stopped selling, BlackRock hasn't stopped buying? So welcome, Trevor Lewis. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. So in my opinion, I think that it's interesting what happens when the Asian markets start like getting bullish on crypto. There's kind of some hesitations, you know. Before it was like China bans Bitcoin, you can't buy Bitcoin, and then all of a sudden now it's like everyone's buying Bitcoin, everyone's bullish, and so it's been what it does for the the Western markets is it puts kind of us on the fence a little bit, but then once some of this liquidity actually really starts coming in, then our outflows stop a little bit. There's not enough Bitcoin on the exchanges. And we had an article, look, and this will explain exactly what we're talking about. So look, Bitcoin supply to run out on exchanges in 9 months. This is according to Bybit. So Bitcoin supply on cryptocurrency exchanges will dry up in 9 months, thanks to the 50% supply issuance reduction of this week's upcoming Bitcoin halving. So people don't realize that like the halving actually will do something to the supply and the price of Bitcoin, because look at the metric here. This is all exchanges. Bitcoin reserves on centralized exchanges fell to a nearly 3-year low of 1.9 million BTC on April 16th, according to CryptoQuant data. So this report comes amid a wider market slump that saw Bitcoin fall over 10% during this past week. So these people have so much money. And then Tether is being printed like crazy. USDC has been printed and minted at the treasuries like crazy. So what do you think is going to happen here in the next couple weeks? Well, we're going to see a damn price surge that's going to surprise the crap out of everyone, because ultimately you have to look at BTC zoomed out. You got to look at it overall long term. And look, we're just right perfect, I guess, in that retracement point into retracement period to be able to scoop. Well, these people are scooping up this Bitcoin, and it can't last very long at these levels because people are buying it. They don't want to be sidelined. So that's why I think that even though we're getting these lower prices, these metrics are not going to sustain any more lower prices going into, say, 59 or lower. But I could be totally wrong. We could just completely get rejected again, and we could look at a Fibonacci retracement here and kind of see what's happening. If we pull it from the right zone here, we can just kind of, I want to see where is the lowest low. And we could just, so we got rejected off the 618 here, and then we got rejected off the 0.5, and we're all the way in the red zone. So we're going to have to see what happens. So Trevor is saying, agree, supply crunch, it's going to, we have to go back to that. Down to Earth answering, that was a great Down to Earth answer, looking forward to more streams. Awesome, awesome. Thank you guys so much. Oh, so we got 20 people in here. We have 13 likes. Let's get the likes up. If we can get it to 20 likes, let's push the stream out to the world. I mean, we had people watching in freaking Pakistan. We had people watching Australia. We have people watching from Sri Lanka. I mean, there are people watching all over the world. All over the world. So let's get it up. Let's get it up. Let's go. We actually are streaming onto Instagram as well, just trying to test and see how many people would actually pop into Instagram. And we're streaming to Facebook. We're streaming to MySpace. We're also streaming to MySpace as well. Nova Scotia, Canada. That's awesome. All right, so let's see. Hopefully our trades are not getting absolutely wrecked. Okay. So how you can do the fib here? Maybe I'll pull up. Maybe we can do it on like the Coinbase chart or something. If we go on the daily, go to the daily on the Coinbase chart, and then let's try and do this. Hold on. I don't know why that's so drastic. Oh, it's because this thing is, there we go. And let's see. You click right here. It's right under the trend line, and then that's the Fibonacci retracement. And then you can pull it from the high. Whoop. Pull it from the high. Oh, I don't know what just happened. Ah! Sorry. Pull it from the high to the low. Where the, I don't know why this is not staying. There we go. And here's the lowest low. You can extend it out. Go to the 4 hour. And then you can see all these different levels where Bitcoin was trying to push and get rejected off the 786, and then was trying to push, went all the way back down to the 618. And then you can see where it's hitting all these levels. But now that we're back in this range, this is the bounce range. So then we'll have to see if we can trade back into a retest of the 0.5. No problem, no problem. And this is just on the Coinbase chart. All right, so I don't know if you guys are following the Launchpad stuff with Jupiter, but Shark by Sharky.fi. If you were able, you should check if you're doing any of the Jupiter DeFi stuff. You should check and see if you got an airdrop. You can check and see if you got an airdrop. But I'm probably going to, because right now this thing is at 52 cents. So possible max price that we could see is $1.61 according to this liquidity pool. And you can use USDC to swap right into it, or DCA. You can put in limit orders. So if you were one of those people that were on the early on DCA and into Jupiter, thank you. Thanks for the super chat. Live Life Free, says Crypto Dano with that game. Awesome. Shout out to Live Life Free. All right, so, but yeah, you can get in early on this before it launches. So yes, sir. It's like I'm soon scarred. I'm scarred at cheaper Bitcoin. Scared. No, we don't have to be scared. I think we're good. But our Doge trade is scaring the crap out of us. We were up 53%, and now we're down 45%. So we were thinking that the market was going to continue to creep and get more bullish. But I'll tell you what, guys, I'm learning just the more that I'm doing this every day as a more consistent thing. It's pretty amazing what you learn when you are sticking to your plan and you're sticking to your strategy and you're being aggressive in your profit taking. Like, you don't take no for an answer. You're like, if the thing is up 50, 60%, you take profits. And it's just, that's what you have to do. Like, you have to aggressively take profits. Because if you don't, the market will take them from you. Because there's more aggressive people out there. It's like alpha market traders that will take those profits. So if you're up and you got in and you said, look, there's the trade, there's the call, you have to take the profit. So I'm just telling you guys from my experience what is happening to me when I know, and I've seen it work. So my account will speak for itself in certain, in the past, like, I would say the past 160 days, like, I've made amazing trades, amazing profits. And this is excluding unrealized, where I can show you. And so that just shows that once I actually follow my strategy and do what I say, you know, practice what I preach, I'll lose less money and actually really, you know, do well. But it's all a process, guys. It's a learning experience. So right now we're getting some dumpage on Bitcoin. We're getting some massive dumpage. Yeah, it's looking like we're hitting right on that line. We already had a line marked at 61.6. We were like, no, we don't need to see 61.6. It's not what we need to see. Let's look at the futures chart though. Let's look at the Bitcoin futures chart. This was where the halving was supposed to be, but we have it at the 20th right here. So that's the halving date. Gotta zoom in a little bit more. Oh yeah, so we got a bit of a fake out here. We already traded on the 4-hour below the bottom band. And if we would have traded above the SMA here, the 20 SMA, then that would have been nice confirmation to get above 69 to then push up to test. But now, now this looks like we're going to go to, now it looks like we could be trading back to 60, which would be some BS, but some BS. But we just have to remember.
Ha! You know what? If it doesn't happen, and for some reason the charts change, little trade another day. And tomorrow, I'm the biggest bear out there. So be it.
All right.
Win some.
We almost have 20 likes. Let's get 20 likes, guys. Come on, let's get it up. Let's do it. Because you win some, you lose some.
But you little trade another day. Little make another play. Little trade another day. Little trade another day. Little make another play. Win some, you lose some.
Our margin ratio is getting a little woo. But Pepe, the thing.
Don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. Scared money don't make
Scared money don't make no money. Scared money too.
You win some, you lose some. But you little trade another day. Little make another. Is it the bottom
Yeah,
yet?
it's Crown
I'm
Chakra.
trying to buy out everything.
Yeah,
Not
go
gonna
support
get
Crown
upset.
Chakra.
Just pull the trigger, let it bang. When I see a trade, I'm hopping in like a Uber to secure my future up early, just like a rooster.
All right, come on, guys.
Eyes
Let's
glued to
go.
the computer,
Use those
looking
thumbs.
for a bag
If you're on the
of
TV,
market cipher
hit the
on
like button.
screen, compliments of
Up,
trade.
right, select.
Now I know what I'ma do. Buy low and sell high. Even if you try and fail, at least you didn't fail to try. I don't wanna be the type of guy that let fear win.
Man,
I'm
the
the
dump
one
on
that
this one is
dive in
nasty.
head first and bust my chin. I know FOMO is a no-no, but I still
I hope we
get it
hold.
in. Nah, I
BTC,
can't
hold the
predict
line.
future,
Hold
but
the
I know
line.
I'm bound to win. Later or sooner, I'll be the big kahuna. Cause I got big kahuna.
The futures is not, the futures chart looks nasty.
And if you scared, might as well
But we might get a recovery.
I'ma keep chasing my dreams.
But if
Wake
we
up and
break,
imagine so big, I
if we
need
go
to
below
segue to
61,
get
if we
from
go
wing
below
to wing.
61.3,
Scared money don't make no money. 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 You win some, you lose some. But you little trade another day. Little make another play. Scared money don't make no money. Scared money don't make
Hold the
no
line,
money.
guys.
Scared
Hold the
money
line.
Don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. You win some, you lose some. But you little trade another day. Little make another. Don't be scared.
Just
G.
drink some
Like
water.
Paid in full. Get your bread, B. Cold wallet full of crypto, yeah. Big Lebowski. Can't forget to tip the waitress. Fur and loathing in Las Vegas. Tupac told us about the changes. People hating on your greatness. Mansion looking hella spacious. Shoes, they ain't got no laces. This the Aquarius age. Life happen in different phases. Our money in with crypto. Analog to digital. Could've been rich, but you was scared. What an imbecile. Say you want a miracle. But
Shout
you
out to
bet
Crown
the
Chakra.
minimal.
I love this.
Should've bet it all. Hell no, not the unthinkable. Grow some balls if you got a
Oh, yeah, we're getting the bounce.
We're getting
the bounce.
No, sir, I'm not
Oh,
trying to scare
okay.
you. Seeking and searching, I need some more money. AI is scary, make us look
It's
like
going
dummies.
up. All right,
Serious
BTC
about profit, I
dominance.
need
All right,
it, I'm
let's
hungry.
check
My
it.
music all over, but I'm from the country. Bank account thicker than Manuka honey. Got multiple wallets, don't go in my pocket. Ether's a favorite, but I don't discriminate. Scared to get money, get the hell up out my face.
All right, we got BTC dominance.
But you little
On the
trade
fu-
another
let's see.
day. Little make another play. You win some, you lose some. But you
It's crazy
little
that it
trade
was just at
another day.
57%.
Win some,
Like what?
you lose some. Win some, you lose some.
4 hour. Oh yeah, look at that.
Scared Scared money don't make no money. 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 You win some, you lose some. But you live to trade another day. Live to make another play. Live to trade another day. Live to trade another. Live to trade another. Live to trade another day. Live to trade another. Live to trade another day. Another day. You scared. You scared.
Yeah, it could test up. It's interesting though with the dominance with BTC. Oh. All right, this is interesting, guys. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what's going down the most. All right, right now, see, we're waiting. See, we had this massive bull flag. This is the me token. So we want to look at these altcoins, see what happens when we got these pennants. The consolidation range on this one is about this long. So let's look, because we might have that same distance of consolidation. It was like, but this one traded it was like traded in that channel and then just smashed. So be curious to see how long it starts to do that in this particular portion and at least get moved back up into this channel. We tested it right here. So it could be just coming back onto this line right here, getting us back into the 3-cent range, which would be at the top of this pennant here. That's why we're bullish on me, because this thing gets up and starts testing these levels right here. Then we're in all-time high territory, price discovery. Nice little steps. This one's great. This one played out really nice. And then still, it was like I was saying, Phantom looking pretty bullish. Let's look at go back. Let me go back. Hope you guys are feeling well. Thank you so much for popping in the trade. Popping in the trades with me. Popping in the stream. My trading view, I think I have too many trading views up. It's like, it's lagging. It's doing the thing. It's really crazy, though, with the Bitcoin leaving these exchanges. What's going to happen? Guys, if you go to danielcurtishughes.com, you can get crypto news. You can actually watch Bitcoin blast through the matrix and go to the moon. Actually go to the moon. It's really fun. And you go look at, and this website works very well on the mobile device. And so you can get crypto bubbles. So if you just save this website, you can get crypto bubbles. You can get the time of the halvings on different coins right here. 3 days away. And then also, this is my blog post here. You can see it needs to be updated, but then also you can go to this section here. It's the music section. So you can put this music on and then go into the charts and start making some money. Or absolutely getting wrecked. It all depends on how much mental strength and capacity you have. All right, let's go, guys. All right, so look. Don't forget, you can trade, actually, perpetuals. Man, Solana just took a nasty candle right here. You can see another fib level respected of getting rejected, basically off the 618 here. Boom. Boom. If you're wanting cheaper Solana, this might be the time to do it. 126. Pretty wild. We were just at we were just over $200. We were just over $200 with Solana. Not that long ago. Not that long ago. You know, I'm gonna make a prediction on this channel right now, guys, that TON coin is gonna be in like the top 5. It's already in the top 9, top 10. Watch TON coin go into the top 5. That would be pretty crazy. We're gonna have to close. I want to close a couple things. I want to make sure we are synced. I think we are. I think we're good. So my computer, we're gonna have to do some upgrades. We're gonna have to do some cleaning. We're gonna have to do some spring cleaning on the computer to make sure we can handle all the things that we're trying to do while we're live streaming, guys. So we've been going for almost an hour. We started at 11:30. It's about 12:22. Thank you guys for being in the stream. It's amazing. We've been pushing numbers. It's awesome. You guys are the best. We've had about a consistent 20 people in the live, and I mean now we're getting more, and we got over 20 likes. You guys are the best community in crypto, and I know why. You know why? Because I think I have people from the moon, from Carl's channel. I got people from Jason Casper's channel. Like, there's all these awesome people from different communities that come in, and you guys are super supportive, and I really do appreciate you guys. I really do. Really appreciate you guys. So, shout out to all the crews coming together to support crypto, support crypto YouTubers, and supporting people just trying to get it. Because I support you guys trying to do what you're doing as well. Whatever you're doing, I hope you are successful. And you're going to have bad days. You're going to have good days. But I hope in the bad days, you know that I am trying to pump you up. And that I know that you are doing the same for me. And we can help each other out. That's what we're all here for. So that's why we're here. Let's go. Because trade another day. All right, we're gonna put this one song back on because we love it so much. It's been so good. Because it has this line. It's like, do you think that I could make you see all those things that'll make you free, baby? So I'm like, yeah, I feel that. Sometimes there's these small lines in songs that will just get you freaking pumped up. And I don't like when I heard that about a week or two ago, and I was like, yes, that's the line. And it just hit all these nostalgia chills in my body. So now this is my song when I want to get locked in, on the charts. So let's go, guys. Let's do it. Let's see if Bitcoin can hold these levels. We're gonna sip some coffee. Sip your coffee with me, sip your tea. Sip whatever you're sipping. Let's go. As long as this thing doesn't start getting into the 30%, 40% margin ratio territory, then I won't be too scared. I won't be too scared. I don't know why. I don't know where it took. Yeah, I want to see my realized. Yeah, there we go. So we have realized over $5,000, $6,000 in BTC profits, guys. So for a new trader, right, listen to this. Nice bounce. Getting a nice cross here. I think we pumped Bitcoin. Let's do it. Let's go. Oh, love it. If you're just coming into the live stream, welcome. You are watching Dano Crypto. My name is Daniel Curtis Hughes. Guys, gals, aliens, and DGen freaks are welcome. We are going to be following the Bitcoin prices. We're going to be talking about the altcoins. We're going to be talking about how to stick to a plan, to stick to a strategy, to not just follow your gut, but follow your heart, follow your soul. Oh, guys. I'm having too much fun. Shout out to all the people that are watching. I think we're hitting like all-time highs here with likes and the support. I really do appreciate it. We're having a blast. So let's get into some funny news. So the halving is near. Shout out to Jason Casper. The halving is near. The halving is nigh. The halving is nigh. All right, so we have the crypto conundrum. So guys, if you have been keeping up with any of the stuff that's happening with all these crypto events, so we had during the NFT, NYC, and Token 2049 events, attendees and organizers witnessed a series of unusual natural disasters. 2 earthquakes struck New York, while Dubai experienced unprecedented flooding and thunderstorms, both locations not typically prone to such events. Despite these unusual circumstances, attendees remained committed to the events, which is awesome. So you push through, guys. You push through. With some speculating that nature might be sending a message, the discussions surrounding these events have sparked curiosity and humor among the crypto community as they wonder about the significance of these occurrences. All right. Oh, 1 billion USDT minted in 2 hours ago. Yeah, let's go. All right, did we get the notification? Because we're supposed to be getting notifications here with Whale Alert. Oh, yeah, so we got USDT. Look, this was just 2 minutes ago. We had USDC burned at the treasury. And then we had, let's see if we have Watcher Guru. Where did you get that? Where did you get that notification? Because we didn't get that notification. Usually we get that same type of metric here, but we did not get it. But yeah, no, that's good. That's bullish. If we just got some injection of Tether, that's good. Yeah, let's look at the Tether market dominance here. It was Whale Alert on Twitter. Oh, okay. Yeah, I was just looking at Whale Alert, but that was USDT. I saw it, but I just looked and it showed USDC. But look at this. You know, we got the market dominance percentage on USDT going up, and then if we look at just the market cap, let's see USDT, just 170 billion. On the what? Hold on. No, I want it on the dollar. What the? Okay, on Coinbase. Let's see. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. All right, let's see what's happening here. Are we getting a bounce? We basically tried to we kissed we tried to kiss 61.6 here, and we bounced. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. But I'm glad we didn't get scared out of our trades, though. We could have gotten scared out of these trades very fast. But it looks like we could. I think BTC held the line. BTC held the line, guys. It was you. I think it was you, because you guys have been super bullish. You've been amazing on the stream. Hitting the likes. And you know, if you do become a Dano Crypto Dojo member of the channel, you get this amazing ability to send this Pepe, this smiling Pepe emoji. It's really awesome. And your name also turns green. And we're also, once we get past 10 members, we're going to be doing special members only streams. It's not a freaking only fans. It's just a members only stream. And we'll just be doing like special like gaming nights. We'll be talking about specific stuff, but it'll just be just for the members. Like we'll just do that. We might do that on like Saturdays or something like that. But yeah, Brucey's showing you. But it would be cool to get some new members, and so then we can actually have a nice group of people that we can just do like a custom members only stream. And those will be different. They will be different than the public ones. So, all right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I've been streaming for about an hour. I think Chair Powell is going to be speaking, I guess, at 2 p.m. All that was not his speech, so I guess his speech is going to be at some point today. So we'll see what happens with that. All right, so make sure you get into the Discord if you haven't already. I think we have over 60 members, which is amazing. I'm going to try and keep up with updating this thing as much as possible. And what helps with Discords is that once you guys are part of it, you know, it's also like kind of like you know, an open platform that keeps the conversation going. So I encourage you guys to come in here and talk amongst yourselves, talk about coins, you know, share some memes, get Shrek'd, you know, just it helps. It helps me to even find some cool stuff that I might have missed, or, you know, like for instance, we go in here and I think someone, Panic Stan, you know, posted about Filecoin saying, man, Filecoin's tanking because of this, you know. So it was cool. It's like getting these updates from the community as well. So it's always nice to have that interaction. So definitely have to keep that going for sure. And if you haven't seen the Dano Crypto shop, we have some amazing sweatshirts and Buff Doge. We love the Buff Doge. So if you really want to support crypto and support the channel, these are some really awesome items. I'm going to be ordering these myself. I'm going to be ordering the tie-dye Bitcoin shirt. I'm going to order the camo Bitcoin and the pink Buff Doge sweater. These are absolutely amazing. Yes, sir said you should fight Ben and walk out till you win some and lose some karate combat, George. I'm not in the weight class of Ben, so he'd have to lose some weight. Stop. That's funny though. Actually, you know who the weight class that I was in, I was joking saying like me and Rand Newmer are gonna fight. Set that up. But no, I don't need to be fighting anyone. I want to protect my head. But I'm quick though. I don't know if anyone could actually punch me in the head. I'm like a squirrel. We'll see. I'm like Bruce Lee. I'm kind of like Bruce Lee though. I'm small, but I'm fast, and I have hidden strength. It's called chi. If you don't know what chi is, it's called you know, it's the energy inside of you. And so what the Shaolin monks use, you know, they're not huge, but they'll probably punch you through a wall. I love watching those Shaolin monk videos where they literally defy gravity. Okay, all right. I think we're going to end the stream, guys, because we're going to be streaming later today. We'll be back at 8 o'clock. I do appreciate you guys coming in, getting some news, getting some updates on the markets. Talked a little bit about everything. Oh, a shill stream? Yeah, it's a shill stream. Yeah, I don't shill anything. I tell you exactly what I'm investing in. I tell you, hey, I like this. I'm testing it out. I don't have any companies paying me any money, and I'll straight up tell you once they do. And if I am in a partnership with anyone, or if I, you know, if there's a coin or a project or something like that, like I'm not going to do any deal and not tell my community about it, because I don't think that's not fair. You know, if you're doing this and you're talking about stuff and people are potentially, without this being financial advice, you know, putting their money into something that I'm talking about, like, I don't want them thinking, oh, you're selling it, you holding this, you're going to jump on us or whatever. It's just like, hey, we're like, try and keep it as transparent as possible. And then that also protects my integrity, my credibility, and all that stuff. So, like, for instance, like, I tell you guys that I like XYO. I found this coin in 2021. And so, like, I mean, it would be cool if XYO sponsored the channel. And if at what point they do, I'll tell you guys. I say, hey, this channel is sponsored by XYO. There you go. And then it's just as easy as that. So, and it's also highly illegal to do a paid promotion without declaring it clearly, but nobody follows that. Yeah, 100%. So, I mean, you can even now, I mean, in YouTube, when you have a YouTube channel, you can click on there that it says includes paid promotion. So, like, for instance, even if you pay for YouTube, like I pay for YouTube Premium, and if there's a channel that has a paid promotion, it'll say it on the top of the screen, includes paid promotion. So then you're not like, so then you just know, like, look, they're getting paid to talk about a particular project. And, you know, doesn't mean it's like it's a bad thing. I mean, it's like, that's literally like that's marketing, that's advertising, that's like how companies make money. You know, advertising is key. You know, advertising is king. You know, that's why companies like Coca-Cola, Amazon, I mean, all these things, I mean, they're still running commercials. They run commercials on TV, broadcast, every single type of advertising they can get their hands on, they're doing it. Even printed ads, mail, I mean, they're doing it all. So I mean, just doing basic like YouTube ads or whatever, it's as long as you're declaring it, then it's like, it's no different. But let's see. There have been court cases where the judges declared. Hold on, so the Brucey's saying there have been court cases where the judges declared that even a text warning isn't enough. You have to actually say it in the video too. Yeah, I have a disclaimer on my channel. I usually say it in the video, and I say, look, this is entertainment purposes only, and it's actually my YouTube. If you look, my videos are listed in the entertainment section, so they're not even listed in like finance or news or whatever. So I try and like, I'm like, hey, I don't want to get sued, you know. Gary's in the chat. Gary's in the chat, guys. Run. Oh, speaking of that, we could go back old school. Let's go back old school. And let's pull up our song. We have a great song. We have to find it. It's on our channel. Is BTC up? Let's go. I know we were bouncing. Yes. Whoa, did we get a nice bounce? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yep, we got that bounce. We were going to kiss that level, and then we got a nice bounce. So I'm so glad we didn't get scared out of our trades. Sometimes it helps to just play that scared money don't make no money song, and I think it just pushes it out to the universe and says, no, no. Okay, so that playlist, if you want to know what the playlist was, that playlist, let's go back. It is PlayStation 2 drum and bass DJ mix. I'll link it. I'll link it in the chat. Because it's fun. Honestly, it's a lot of fun to put that on while you're trading or just doing whatever. Or honestly, if you got a bag and you're practicing martial arts or anything like that, like you put that on and you'll just like you'll feel like a Tekken character. You feel like you feel like Jen. My wife is awesome. She just like poked her head into the DGen garage and had like a bowl of food. And so I think that's the sign that I should sign off and eat and bid you guys farewell. But you guys are amazing. I got the stream up to 26 likes. I mean, we almost got to 30 likes before we ended the stream. I mean, that is a record. I think that's amazing to get the stream up to almost 30 likes. And I will always say, guys, with the numbers that we're pushing right now, I mean, once we start getting up to 10,000 subscribers and more, this stream as a daily stream is going to be pushing about 2,000 people, I think. We're going to start having almost about 1,000 people watching this stream. That's my goal, guys. I want to have 1,000 people watching this stream, but in order for us to do that, it requires the community help. It requires you guys to keep hitting the like button, hitting the subscribe button, telling your friends about this channel, saying, hey, come hang out, come chat. You get to listen to some awesome PlayStation 2 music, and I might make you laugh. I might even make you cry. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But thanks for coming to the channel. Really do appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Someone's like, cringe. No, I'm just kidding. All right. We'll see you. We will see you tonight at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Bye-bye.